Hey guys, we're going to add another sight word to our sight word slideshow. All right, remember sight words are words that we can't usually sound out. They're words that we have to remember. All right, so our first one was and, A-N-D. I have a dog and a cat, A-N-D, and. The next one was the. The big dog is so cute, T-H-E, the. The other one was the sight word Remember, this looks just like the letter A, and it is the letter A, but it's not going to say here. It's going to say There was a pig in the mud. A. Our next one for today is the sight word in. In. I-N. The frog jumped in the water. In. And this is actually one that you can sound out. In. So not all of them are words that you can't sound out, but this is just a word that we need to look at and read it very quick and snappy because it's going to be in a lot of our sentences. All right, I-N. All right, guys, great job. I hope that you're practicing these. Look for these words around the around your house.